The heat wave hit fast. 4 boys, no air conditioning, and some of the plants in my food forest didn't make it. Welcome back to my Minisode series on life on the homestead. If you haven't checked out my first video, we did this to afford a homestead. Check that out so it all makes sense. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of these little Minisodes. The next one is literally going to be fire. So we're getting ready for a really big heat wave here. And the kids are, we don't have anything like curtain-wise in the house for this window, so we're putting up sheets. Oh, and yes, we still have Christmas lights up.
See that corner? Yeah, I see that. But, what? See? Pull that snow, please? No. Okay.
Looks great.
Oh, we just need this window and this. Oh, that will be good. That's fine. But we need this. This one's gone because it already has. That will be good.
Okay, our house is still under construction. We're gonna get this window over here. Apparently, nothing could possibly go wrong. Those are my Crocs. I don't think you're gonna reach, and you forgot that you're supposed to be holding that for him. Oh. The ladder, not the sheet.
I know, I'm holding it. It's not going in. I mean, let's get a total ladder.
Okay, what is going on here?
Yeah. We found it, but it's not technically a ladder. Kelly, move. No, it's sketchy. This could really hurt you.
Don't want some assistance? Please don't smash the window. Why don't you put it beside on this part?
What?
On this part.
That's what we're trying to do. Oh, that's what we're trying to do?
Communication is key when working together.
Why don't you drop the camera and help us then?
Because this is how you learn.
Oh, yeah?
You're so creative. At the house right now. So we might have to wait here until it gets really dark. And the mosquitoes start coming. What do you think?
Get mosquitoes?
Elliot, go get your diaper on. Elliot, go get your diaper on.
I don't want to.
It got just way too hot and we needed to escape for a little bit, so we went up into the mountains, even higher than we were. We're at 3,700 feet, and tried to escape in a cold mountain lake. This was just the refreshment we needed, cooling off in these beautiful turquoise waters. And of course, we got a little silly and did some photo ops. So we have made a redneck air conditioner. It actually kind of works. So if you don't have an air conditioner, put your broken fan behind a chair and hang a plastic bag and fill it with ice packs.
This goes right down here. This goes down here, Mom.
Ingenuity. It was near impossible to sleep at night because it was just so hot in the house by then. So we dragged the mattresses out onto the deck and slept underneath the stars.
Oh, I can
Just
sit on the chair.
set up a bed outside on the deck because it's ridiculously hot inside to the point where nobody is going to sleep. The garden was just wilting away. And some of the plants did great and others didn't. And it was really a good training to see what I needed to do to have my plants be more resilient to the conditions that we were in. And I need to weed my onion bed. But they look like they're doing okay. And maybe the weeds are actually keeping them a little bit cooler, you know? These have definitely bolted instantly with this heat. Cilantro, the parsley behind it is getting a bit of shade, so it's all right. Kale is loving it, potatoes are loving it, garlic's loving it. Everything's looking good. Lettuce looks glorious. I might even have a little munch, a crunch and munch. Not very bitter or anything. This walnut did not appreciate the heat. And I have a pawpaw tree that kind of died back here, but I will leave them because you never know. Sometimes things surprise you. For example, these 3 currant bushes I got from my friend, and I thought they were dead, but I left them in the ground and this guy came back to life. Alright, so the rose did not like the heat. It's dry and crumply. Poor thing. Oh, but it smells so good. But right under the rose, looky, looky, what we got here. I'm gonna eat that before one of my feral children steals it from me. So this is kind of sad, but these giant alliums were like, no thank you to all that heat. And they kind of aren't big purple globes, but they're kind of pretty in their little Skeletor states. On the other hand, this chamomile is just going to town. I have to harvest that ASAP. My apple tree actually, like the apples actually cooked onto the tree. That's how hot it was. My sister-in-law and kids came out to visit us, and there was actually a bunch of smoke starting to roll in, so we decided to go camping and escape it. We're all running around in our bathing suits and diapers. Just a little front porch ditty. I prayed yesterday that the smoke would stay away so my family could safely sleep under the stars, because our house was a literal sauna, and it stayed away. It's rolling in now as we leave. Word is, a whole town burned. The heat wave topped out at 49 degrees Celsius, the kind of heat that makes everything stand still. Camping gave us a much-needed reprieve from the smoke, the stress, and the suffocating heat. We came back home feeling a little more grounded, but that peace wouldn't last. What happened next caught us completely off guard. Subscribe to follow the journey because the next chapter changes everything.